VizEasy Procedural Posters and Paintings for 3ds Max. A tool for instantly placing frame compositions in your scenes. In just a few clicks, you can place frames on the wall, set the appropriate height from the floor, and choose one of the 12 composition presets. Thanks to the Randomize function, you can randomize the design of images, frames, and passe-partout. You can also randomize all elements or only selected ones. You can also customize each frame individually, including each element, image, frame, or passe-partout. You have 9 image categories at your disposal, with a total of 72 images prepared for both portrait and landscape orientation. You can also upload your own images and, after creating your composition, save it as a preset for reuse.